This demonstration will show you how to transfer an important document, specifically a W-9, to SharePoint using DeskConnect's desktop automation driver. Starting off in the document, click on the DeskConnect browser extension to create a new workflow. You can select the printer option and choose the FabSoft printer. Or you can use a monitored watch folder, which is what we'll use to transfer the document information today. You can use a watch folder in conjunction with a scanner or copier, or you can just copy the document directly into the folder. In the DeskConnect workflow configuration, select the option for the SharePoint document library automatic submission. If you prefer, you can choose the manual submission type instead, if you would like to choose the SharePoint folder for each new document submission. In this example, I was previously prompted to set up the workflow name, document identifier, and output file type, so this information will appear here in DeskConnect. Next, I'll choose the desired SharePoint library. Choose the O365 SharePoint directory, then choose Documents. For the folder path, select HR for this example. Once selected, all of the available SharePoint indexes from the selected SharePoint library will be added to the workflow. Now I can populate any of the SharePoint indexes that are displayed in DeskConnect. Using DeskConnect with its AI capabilities, I can easily populate the SharePoint indexes related to the W-9 form. For this example, I configured SharePoint to show every text box, checkbox, and signature block on the form to demonstrate how DeskConnect easily extracts the data. These fields were blank on the form, and these checkboxes were empty. Once you review everything and are ready to go, click Finish below. Now that the workflow is complete, the data will be extracted, the document will be sent to SharePoint, and the SharePoint indexes will be populated. You can even automatically send all of your W-9 forms to your SharePoint location by simply scanning the document into the watch folder. Leveraging AI, DeskConnect can even capture data from forms with different formats. For this example, the document to the right was copied a little smaller than the other. DeskConnect captures the data for you seamlessly. As you can see, DeskConnect, accompanied with the power of AI, provides you with a proficient and easy way of sending documents to SharePoint, as well as capturing document text to use as SharePoint indexes. Contact FabSoft today to streamline your document transfer processes.